Hey everybody, welcome to this week's FTW. These are two tops that are going to be going up for sale at www.billetspin.com on August 12th, noon central. On the right, a highly requested combo. The all Zirc blacked out king. Obviously this combo is going to make the most sense for the black side. For those of you that are collecting a set or those of you that just want a blacked out top, there's kind of a cult following for the all black, just like there is the stainless steel. So I thought we'd make those available as soon as we could. On the left, we have another Unity. Now, we've had some of these combos laying around in a 3-color Mokome, and my lovely wife, Sue, decided that she would try to put these in LOS patina, kind of forced patina, the 3-color Mokome. They turned out absolutely fantastic. So we made a couple of these, and we said, hey, why don't we put them up on the website and make them available for you? So that's what the plan is here. So let me get you a couple weights on these guys. So in the all Zirc King, we have 50 grams. And in the stainless steel 3-color Mokome Unity, you're not going to believe it, it is exactly 50 grams as well. That's a pretty cool coincidence. So let's get into some details of these guys. The King, the Zirc King, is going to be $275. The 3-color Mokome stainless steel Unity is going to be $200. Both of these have 1/8" tungsten carbide bearing balls here, if I can get you a good view here. So I'll kind of give you a little side shot of both of these. The Unity top, you can see people holding hands there for those of you not familiar with the Unity top. Just our way of making something that really shows how we need to stick together through these tough times. And this top was designed by my wife, turned out extremely well. And then we have the blacked out Zirc King, everything Zirc, Zirc grip, Zirc stem, Zirc cover, Zirc body, Zirc inner ring with the 1/8" tungsten carbide bearing ball. All right, I know you guys want to see these spinning. See if I can get you a halfway decent spin here at least, which it wasn't, so I'll straighten it out a little bit. There you go. And the Unity top, a little better spin. So there you have it. Both of these are going to be available on August 12th, noon central, www.billetspin.com, $200, $275. There you have it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Hope you guys have a great rest of your week.